Why is he coming that way? Oh. Yeah. You reckon you'll get it from there? You reckon you'll get it from there?
Of course you will.
Yeah, you will. Yeah. Well,
It's only $2, mate.
yeah. He's already got $2 today.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah, me too. Fuck, that's slippery. Oh, hey. Oh, he was riding his wave. Yeah, piece of piss. I'll get up there easy.
Yeah, you will. On the couch.
Huh?
On your couch.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah,
Yeah, we'll get up.
yeah, I reckon. Oh yeah, I'll film you. Shit, I... Yeah, easy. It's all a bike. Yeah. Yeah, I hope so. Fuck, I hope you're right. I am. But if I come off, somehow it'll get deleted. I might even try first gear in this. Whoop! Piece of piss. Yeah. That was easy. That was in first as well. I was going to go up in second, but yeah, I did it in first. No worries. It's like a Chevy making all the noise but not going anywhere.
Looks like he's starting again.
Yep, yep. Shit, I thought this would be a fun hill.
Yeah. That's fun, alright.
Yeah.
It's a red hill here, isn't it?
Yeah, yeah, sort of, all these hills.
He wants to do those hills.
Oh, right, who does? Oh, really? Cool.
You've got to go down here, don't you?
Yeah, you can go down the hills themselves, but that's the one I drove up in the 4B. Woo! Yes! Well done, mate. Shit on. Oh, piece of piss, Tony on the gas. Woohoo! No worries. It's funny when you come up there and then all of a sudden there's all these eyes on you. There's Trav on the 300. Easy. Oh, a bit more. Oh no. Oh yeah. Oh, beauty. Shit, I. Is that it? Yeah, that's it. Shit, I. Oh, is there two more? Oh yeah, the ex-trainer, Dave on the ex-trainer. Yeah. Oh, is that? Oh no.
Whose is that?
Oh yeah, here it comes. Hey? Yeah. Oh. Yeah. Woohoo! Shit, right. No one else down there? Were you the last one, Dave? Yeah. Yep, cool. We'll do this one now.
We go down or up it?
Both. No, no, it'll be too fucking slippery.
Try up it. Go to the other one.
The other one's probably,
No, you've got to go down here, don't you, to get the other one?
yeah, round the outside. Or you can go down that one.
I'll take him around.
And if you go down, it'll sort of show you what you're going to be coming up, if you know what I mean.
Fucking hell, mate.
Couple of stages. Is that what
Yeah.
call the red hill?
Yeah, yeah. Oh, all this is Red Hill, sort of, yeah.
Go right round.
Oh, are they? Oh, shit, right. Oh, yeah. I was just at Red Hill Road, number 500, the other day. Yeah. Pardon? Oh, right, oh, yeah, down the bottom. Yep. Yeah, cool.
For a hill.
Not me.
Yeah,
I'm struggling.
I'll have a go of it. Why not? I'm going to go down from the top, though, just so I can assess it. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I thought it would be.
That's all you need to know.
Shit. That's been on.